Bianca ever for one day address, are you hearing me? Has she ever addressed the Easterners or the youth and they pay attention to her politically? She has not done that. We don't know much. We only know her based on Ojukwu. That is hypocrisy. In the April 13, 1997, Tinubu stated it clearly. April 13, 1997, he said he did not believe in one Nigeria. In 2012, the same Tinubu at the rate of 120 naira, so that we remove first subsidy and be buying for at the rate of 120 naira. Tinubu sponsored Ojota dancing and Ojota things. And now look at the price of fuel today. He's believing in one Nigeria now because it has come to his turn. Because it has come to his turn. Now he's believing in one Nigeria. It has come to his turn, then nobody will dance in Ojota. So the price of fuel and the subsidy, it should be normal. Abi, God bless you, my beloved brother. I remember my humble self, Evangelist Benjamin Johnson, S.S. Nachi, the only Biafra evangelist that speak the truth and nothing but the truth. Now listen and listen good. Yes, Bianca has been given an appointment to become the spokes of state and international affairs minister. Now listen and listen good. Bringing Bianca of Ojukwu, the late Ojukwu wife, into the system of this present government. I know Tinubu, Mr. President, is finding a means, a kind of to curb some angers, the devastation of the people from the southeast, probably coming 2027 election. But there's one thing I want to say. Now, Bianca Ojukwu is not somebody, a lady that can speak to the southeast and they will listen to her. In terms of
why do you say so?
Yes, listen and listen good. Had it been the husband we are talking about here, I would have said yes. Is the voice of the people. You know, there is a difference between somebody speaking the heart of men, the heart of the people, and somebody just coming out speaking on himself. Are you getting it? Has Bianca ever for one day addressed, are you hearing me? Has she ever addressed the Easterners or the youth and they pay attention to her politically? She has not done that. We don't know much. We only know her based on Ojukwu.
We've heard her severally come out to plea for the release of nnamdikanu.
She only say, listen to me, not everybody know her. Not everybody know her as an activist. Not everybody take her word serious from the southeast. Not everybody that will see her now and say, oh, this is Bianca. Are you getting it? And for your information, the way it is now, appointing Bianca, probably just as a former vice president has said, Atiku, that is because of the coming up election in order to soften the heart of the Igbos. It cannot soften our heart through Bianca. And for your information, in the very first place of election, to be candid, they did not give Tinubu vote, not only the southeast. Even the Yorubas here, Nigeria did not give Tinubu vote. Even as at that time, that they have not even seen the true color of Tinubu in the House of Presidency. They didn't give him vote. Is it now that everybody is angry with Tinubu system of government because of the hungry? That you expect, especially the way the maltreatment, everything is going on, you expect them to come and give him vote. Are you getting it? Forget the system that some part of Yorubas now are not even supporting the, but in their heart they are not happy. Are you getting it? When it comes to vote, nobody see. You will see. Yoruba didn't vote for him. Let's just be sincere. Yes, I give a room to any Yoruba man to challenge. Even he himself, Mr. President, he said that Nigeria did not vote for him. Are you getting it? So, because when it comes to the presidency, when it comes to presidency, is we are talking about general here. Both Yorubas, Igbo, Hausa, everybody, they know their candidate, whom they voted for, not Tinubu. And every evidence, even including he himself, knew it. And he said it, then you know that Nigerians did not vote for him. You get it? So, bringing Bianca can never. And I know, probably there's every tendency because of that 2027 election, if you see that in order to calm the Igbos down, he might decided to release nnamdikanu. But hey, free nnamdikanu cannot even sustain our heart again. Are you getting it? To cast vote to him. Because his leadership currently is not encouraging. It's nothing to write home about. So we cannot vote for him because we've not voted for him before. I don't know if you're understanding me. This is my point. So Bianca, he just gave Bianca an opportunity. No bad. It's not bad. And it's not wrong. But if he does it with intention to a kind of win the heart of the Easterners, it's making a very big, a huge, or even man call it a huge mistake. Because Bianca cannot address us and expect us to believe based on voting to Tinubu from 2027.
But right now, she'll be the one. She will represent Nigeria, internationally, trying to promote Nigeria's, as a brand. Do you think this will bode well for the Biafra?
Listen to me. She carrying a kind of the brand, as you say. Listen and listen good. Her brand has nothing to do with the heart of men, especially in the people of the Southeast. It's carrying a brand of Nigeria, not a brand of Biafra. And every Southeast man persons now, our heart, our mind is focused on Biafra brand, not Nigerian brand anymore. Because we are tired to join brand with Nigeria. We are no longer interested with Nigerian brand. We are interested in nothing but Biafra brand. So anybody, even if Ojukwu, which I know Ojukwu himself cannot, the late Ojukwu cannot do that. So let them go and bring go. Even Ojukwu's son cannot do that. Even though he come out now. Are you getting it? He comes out now to say, okay, the Biafran should, nobody will pay attention to him. Are you getting it? Because our heart has been made. We have made up our mind. Everybody we want to go. Biafra, we want to go. Because I'm a Biafran. Being an Igbo man, just as a Yoruba man will be able to tell you, I'm an Oduduwa. After all, Igbo who submitted Yoruba nation. So I'm a Biafran nation, so far I'm from Igbo. Are you getting it? Arewa is from the north. So I am a proud Biafran man. And as I'm talking to you, I am a brand of Biafra, not Nigeria. Likewise, every other Igbos, we are Biafran brand, not Nigerian brand. So anybody that comes from the east bearing Nigerian brand is not part of Biafra. So Bianca cannot influence anything in the Igbo land in order to give Mr. President vote on 2027.
But according to what Atiku 8 said, he said Tinubu lost power. That this was the same person that said in 2017.
I'm not hearing you.
He said Atiku 8 said in 2012 Tinubu was against subsidy, but now because he's in power, he said he stands for subsidy now. And he also said that this was Tinubu that said time past that nothing like one Nigeria, but now Tinubu is standing firm on one Nigeria. Do you not think that Bianca working for Tinubu is do you not see as hypocrisy?
That is hypocrisy. In the April 13, 1997, Tinubu stated it clearly. April 13, 1997, he said he did not believe in one Nigeria. In 2012, the same Tinubu at the rate of 120 naira, so that we remove fuel subsidy and be buying for at the rate of 120 naira. Tinubu sponsored Ojota dancing and Ojota things. And now look at the price of fuel today. He's believing in one Nigeria now because it has come to his turn. Because it has come to his turn. Now he's believing in one Nigeria. It has come to his turn, then nobody will dance in Ojota. So the price of fuel and the subsidy, it should be normal. Abi, that is a hypocrisy. That is political disappointment before humanity. That is abuse of integrity, an abuse of a principle of a man of a caliber, men of caliber and men of their words. Look at somebody like nnamdikanu. He is a man of caliber. He's a man of principle, and he's a man of policy. Say, this is what I want, and he stood by it. Any man that is like this, whosoever that is like this, is not worthy of being a man, not to talk of a leader. So a leader is a man of policy, a man of principle, and a man with his standard, a man of his word. Not those that compromise. I don't know if you are getting me. And that is the kind of people we need. And that is why we are talking about Biafra today. Because we need such men to rule us. Not the people of otherwise.
But do you think Ojukwu will be proud of his wife, accepting the appointment?
I am not in the spirit, neither am I in the grave. Only those that are in the graveyard and in the spirit will understand that one. It's Ojukwu that knows. I don't know. Are you getting it? It's only Ojukwu in the grave who will answer that one. I will not answer that one because I don't know if he will be happy based on what is on the ground. That his son, nnamdikanu, what he started, now though he's not alive now, but somebody has picked up where he stopped today to where we are going, where we are today and where we will go after. I don't think whether he will be happy or he will not be happy. But for your information, we've not divided. Even if we have parted our ways in the spiritual, physically we have not parted our ways. So you see, under appointment because of Nigeria as it is now, until where Biafra stand. And moreover, I don't see such appointment as a kind of evil or betrayal, because Okonjo Iweala today is not managing Nigeria. It's a Nigerian, Igbo to be precise, but she's not managing Nigerian economy. It's managing the economy of the world in another country. Are you getting it? So an appointment like that is not a crime, neither is it a sin, until we have what we are looking for. And even if you have what you are looking for today and they do not treat you well or give you appointment that suit you, that you qualify or you merit, and another country sees it and give it to you, you are entitled to go for it. It doesn't stop you from being a citizen of a Biafra. So just like Okonjo Iweala, currently now she will not deny of not being a Nigerian or being an Igbo person. She will not deny that. She knows where she comes from.
Have you seen
but
it?
She's not working.
Have you seen it?
Do you think
All your oil,
you'll be regretting?
the oil you're crying, that the Biafra, what Biafra are including Niger Delta into Biafra because they won't take your oil. And the little one you feel you're eating from the oil and gas, people don't want to take it away from you. I, Mr. Okpara, Demi Okokondem, I like this type of thing to be happening. I like people who feel they know and they don't know that nature should be teaching them lessons. Edu Clark, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Now your eye have opened to say no to government of Nigeria. Yes, last week he was supporting them. That he believe in one Nigeria. See the one Nigeria you have believed. One Nigeria is something happening to you now. Eh? Now this one don't shake you because I know that even that Niger Delta ministry, you yourself are collecting some chicken change there. Now they want to block the chicken change you are collecting. Not the change that you take to take snuff on your videos. Because I don't say the people that come from this area know how to take snuff, south and southeast. They know how to take snuff well. So that's a chicken change for snuff. People want to remove them. That's why you are crying. You see? Are you not the one that said you are not to Biafra? You are Nigeria. Nigeria has given you what made you to be Nigeria. You are not crying. So over the dead boy, you not agree. Look at you are Nyamiri, you are Nyamiri, you are Mibo, you are Mibo, you are Biafra, you are Biafra. Because leopard cannot change his spots. Do you understand? Thank you. But clear. Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Do you think
All your oil.
you'll be regretting?
The oil you are crying, that Biafra, what Biafra are including Niger Delta into Biafra because they won't take your oil. And the little one you feel you are eating from the oil and gas, people don't want to take it away from you. It's not good for you to join Biafra because if you remain in Nigeria, the oil you're not drinking it. The gas is not blowing you. In Biafra, you feel that it's not blowing you. In Nigeria, it's not blowing you. Then now you see if that is the case, it seems that you are standing between the deep blue sea and the devil. Which one to choose? Are you to choose the deep blue sea or are you to choose devil? Which one? Because that's what you feel. That Biafra will grab your oil and gas, they will not give you. It's better for you to stay with Nigeria. And Nigeria have given you, show you where they're heading to. That nothing for you. Now, which one do you choose? You have tried Nigeria now and see them. Why can't you try Biafra? Be in Biafra. Try Biafra and see what will be. Whether your oil and gas, whether you are going to control it, whether it's Biafra to control it. Try Biafra, please. Try Biafra and to see.
But of a truth, he said, the money that's supposed to be used in Niger Delta, Tinubu should allocate it to other regions to do other things. But do you not think this is unfair from Tinubu? Scrapping this ministry.
Is it today that Edwin Clark know that Niger Delta, as he said, or south or southeast are marginalized, that they don't want development in that area. They don't want development in that area. Whether you call it south, whether you call it southeast, whether you call it Niger Delta, whether you call it Igbo, whether you call it Biafrans, north and west, Yoruba and Hausa Fulani, and other tribes in the north don't want development in that area. That is why they use Supreme Court. They move That's why they're using Wike to fight Fabura. Fubara. Is it today that Edwin Clark know that Niger Delta, as he said, or south or southeast are marginalized, that they don't want development in that area. They don't want development in that area. Whether you call it south, whether you call it southeast, whether you call it Niger Delta, whether you call it Igbo, whether you call it Biafrans, north and west, Yoruba and Hausa Fulani, and other tribes in the north don't want development in that area. That is why they use Supreme Court. They move That's why they're using Wike to fight Fabura. Fubara. That name always has me to pronounce. Fubara, the current governor of River State, because they have looked in depth that man, they cannot control him. That man will be will revive River State. The watcher, they call River State. That's why they use their slave agents Wike to destabilize him. And they don't want any good thing to come there, because they look that man may be like LSOT. He may work like LSOT. So they want to destabilize it. It's today battle by doing clear. Know that those area, they don't want development in that area. Tinubu now want to scrap Niger Delta Ministry and to create IDP in Biafra land. They want to take it away and create IDP in Biafra land. Do you see the type of development they want to give us? Tinubu want to scrap Ministry of Niger Delta. They want to create a Ministry of Animal. If not that Nigeria resist, that Ministry of Animal who have been. Animal, not livestock.
Livestock, animal, yeah.
Livestock is human being among the livestock. Human being is not among the livestock. It's a Ministry of Animal. He goat, she goat, ram, cattle, cow, even rabbit. They are part of the animal. I want to take the ministry for. Even rabbit, kangaroo and monkey. This is why Nigeria always have a kangaroo judgment, have kangaroo court, have kangaroo judiciary, because so that animal can still come out and the judge human being. That's the ministry of animal. See the type of thing. How the government is, you can see it. You are scabbing Niger Delta. Anyway,
but do you think that the youth will be happy as regards this? Do you not think that very soon they will not start coming out to threaten to blow the pipeline?
You know, the youth have already shown that they are no more with the Tinubu government. The youth from the youths from Niger Delta have started realizing that they are Biafrans. This is why both South-South, so-called South-South and South-East refuse to join Nigerian army recruitment this time. Because they have been realizing, both sides have been realizing that they are Biafrans. This is why Uzodimma can come out now and say, Tinubu, release Nnamdikanu. Not because of one person, the whole people will die. Release Nnamdikanu so that there be peace. And the Tampolo side have already started to dancing Okonko. Start dancing Mount Ofala with Simon Ekpa and Biafrans. So all these things have shown you that the Niger Delta or South or Igbos or Biafrans are no more happy with Tinubu government. They are no more happy with Nigerian government. They are no more happy remaining in Nigeria. So whether Tinubu remove Niger Delta Ministry or he don't remove it, the youths are not happy anymore. And removing this thing will be like a child who want to cry. You say a little child, they want to cry. Then you went and point that child at the face, he will start crying. Removing this thing is just like that. He will just start crying immediately. And if you see, Tinubu is doing it to repay them back. For Atiku to order him or telling him or advising him to release Nnamdikanu so that there be peace, so that the masses will not die. Number one. And Atiku to come out and say that the announcement he made concerning certain things in Aso Rock, the press conference he held, that Mr. President Tinubu is aware. He is the one that asked him to do so. And for Tampolo and his group to start drawing near to Simon Ekpa and the Biafra issue, all these things make Tinubu to look otherwise again, to say, okay, let me remove this thing. For them to feel the pain, to see if they will denounce, not to go where, not to head where they are heading now, make a U-turn to come and still be with him fully because of what they will be getting from Niger Delta, Ministry of Niger Delta. So all these things are political game and the personal interest.
But someone like Ojukwu'S, how do you feel? How do you think he feels presently? And at the same time, how do you see? Do you think that this will work away? Do you think this will go away?
If Tinubu move ahead and do whatever we make Ojukwu'S to get angry, you know Ojukwu'S, he don't have friend. He may say, let the end to come, let the earth fall on heaven.
Because last week he has been so angry with Tinubu and his government.
Yes, Tinubu may say so. Okay, if Nigerian army have invite me to come in battlefield with them, and Tinubu is saying this thing, let us go to the battlefield and settle it. Tinubu may do it, unless he's a coward. But if he's not a coward, he will do it. If Tinubu continue like this,
because he said he's fighting for his people.
He's fighting for his people, and now is the time we will know whether Tinubu is really fighting for his people or fighting for his belly. Now, this Niger Delta issue, ministry that we tend to know, and if really Tinubu is fighting for his people as he called his people Niger Delta, I don't think that he cannot come in a battlefield and engage the Nigerian army this time around. He will come to the battlefield and engage them. And if you engage them in battlefield, you know what it means. Nigerian revenue will drop. Because Nigeria depends in oil and gas from Biafra land. Whether you call it Niger Delta, whether they call it South-South, whether they call it South-East, whether they call it Igbo. The Nigerian revenue is coming from that place. And if then army come to face Ojukwu'S in battlefield, if further they will kill him, it will not be under 6 months. It will not be under 1 year. At least it may last another 3 years. By that time, Nigerian revenue may drop. The income may drop.
Because he has accused the army, military of stealing them oil bunkering.
Oil bunkering. And even though I don't see military coming to fight him, because if military fight him, if really what he said, the military are part of the oil bunkering, how can they involve the oil again? How can they be part of it again? It will distract their own business. Because if military is part of the oil bunkers, then it's their business, apart from the uniform they wear and collect salary. That's what I'm saying. So if you watch it, it's just like what will I say? How will I put it? Cramp and chameleon. It's just like a cramp and chameleon holding each other. You understand what I'm saying? They cannot bite each other. They cannot swallow each other. And the being clear, I will know from now. I will know how he will play his role. Whether he can be able to tell Tinubu, stop what you are doing, restore it back, or whether he will be talking. Maybe after talking 2 days, they will call him in Abuja, as he's already in Abuja, and they tell him, "Oh boy, this is your own part." Or you mellow down. He will mellow down like a Wazirike mellow down on Biafran issue. Let us see what tomorrow will be.